Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another unboxing video for you. So today I have bought a handheld vacuum cleaner. It's a small vacuum cleaner. So for small cleaning purposes, like you can clean your sofas or other small stuffs. And I bought this from Flipkart and it cost me around 1800 rupees. It was on discount and the brand is Agaro. So let's unbox it. So actually I was looking for a vacuum cleaner for all stuff to clean everything and clean all the household stuffs, but then the review was not that great, and so I thought maybe just give it a try because it is quite handy and very small. So that's why and the review was also good. So yeah, let's see what was in the box. Okay, so this is an attachment. I think you can clean sofa surface or bed sheet with this. Another attachment is there. Okay, so this is a nozzle. I think it is good for cleaning corners. There is some manual stuff, and yeah, there is another attachment. So okay, so there are two nozzles, one small, one long. I'm not sure why, but yeah, this is it, and nothing else. So now let's see. Okay, so here this is one pipe. This is the actual vacuum cleaner unit. Okay, so let's unwrap this. Yeah, so as you guys can see, it's really compact in size, so it's easy to handle. So this is the on button and this is the off button, and here I think, okay, so you can open this unit using this thing, and this is a separate compartment. So this is a filter mesh, I would say. So yeah, and this is how it looks. Looks is quite nice. I mean, quite modern and sleek and not much heavy, but not too light as well. So the weight is quite average, I would say. So this is it. Now I'll come back to you guys with another video about the performance of this vacuum cleaner. So as of now, this is just the unboxing video. I'll share the Flipkart link from where I bought this unit. So the average price of this thing is around 2000, but you can get it on discount. So I bought it for around 1800 or so. Sometimes you can get it around 1600 or 1500 as well if you're lucky enough. Maybe in some sales or something. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends. Goodbye.